Hello everybody. I want to show you this fabulous handbag that I got from TikTok shop. So I have been eyeing it for a while, and it's this faux alligator, okay? Not the real thing. Isn't that pretty? I needed a purple handbag, and this one is really beautiful. I'm gonna show you the inside of it. Put all this stuff here out. So that's how it looks inside. It's just a one big area to put your stuff in. It does have it has a pocket right here. And it has a pocket on the side too. And you see the brown lining. Take these off the handles. This handbag is well made. It really is. And it's affordable. I would like a lot of handbags with different colors to match my outfits. I usually just get the same old boring colors. Brown, black, once in a while a beige. So they have this handbag in a whole lot of colors, and they all are pretty. I saw a blue one, like a teal color that I like. They have some with the mixed colors, and those are very pretty too. And of course, this comes with a strap, so I'm going to show you the strap. Because I'm not the type of girl, the type of woman, I don't like to use clutches and stuff like that. Here's the strap. This is so nice. It's so nice. And it's nice to receive pretty things online and into your home, because it makes every day feels like Christmas. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? You know what I'm talking about. You go to that mailbox or that mail room, and you got some goodies in there. Okay, so that's a very long strap. I like that. I like that. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Wow. So this is like a crossbody. Look at here, look at here. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this gorgeous bag. If you would like this bag and you want other colors, or you may even want this one, please check out the link. I saw a red one that I was going to order instead of this one, but I'm glad I got this one because I have a lot of purple pieces of clothing, and I never have the purple bag to go with it. Okay. This doesn't have any name brand or anything. It just have this plain metal piece here. But I'm not specifically a name brand person. Oh, I forgot to show you. It's a little pocket here on this side. Okay. Put little things in there. Like your phone would fit in there, you know. So make sure that you check this handbag out. Like I said, it's nice weight. It's not too heavy, but it's a decent weight to it. The alligator, the faux, the faux alligator. Let's not get it twisted, y'all. This is not the real alligator, okay? The faux alligator. It looks so good. It looks so real. This is a yummy purse here. A yummy handbag. Look in here, look at here. So I'm going to be stepping out in this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm going to be stepping out in this, and it's going to look good. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I will be having some more things to review. I am mainly a product reviewer. I do other things too.